Hi friends, welcome. We'll continue learning our Notebooklm. It's a Google AI tool, so it helps us in learning Pandas, the Python data analytics library, and we'll learn more about using this Notebooklm. Before we start Notebooklm, my request is please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you'll be notified and to see more about such informative tutorials. Let's start Notebooklm. We'll ask Pandas to create a data frame, and just to quick recap what we have discussed previously, there's a left side panel, we have added the source, and in this the Pandas manual or in the PDF format we have added it. So choose a file, you can upload it, or directly by clicking the website you can give the link. So just search and Pandas manual, it's a 3000 plus pages manual that we have given it here as a source. And in the center panel we can collapse this also, and in the center you can chat it, and in the right side the most important, the audio overview, we can listen to it or carry it with us to listen it afterwards. So here what I am going to do is first create one data frame of 40 rows of data. Here use these columns. So what I will do is I will give it ID, name, class, then mark and gender. Create one data frame, 40 rows of data. Here use these columns, ID, name, class, mark and gender. So let's see how it creates it. So it will create that data frame that we will use it as a source. So every time we work on it, here it is. So it's a language model, so it can give it fine. So what it did is import up to this point, we'll just copy it. See, fine, here up to print data frame. This is the small code. So I have just copied it. Now I am going to my Visual Studio Code. Here I am pasting it. Fine. Let's just see whether what it is. It will print me. Yeah. So fine. This has some random. Let me just move up. Okay, fine. This has printed the data frame. So all the at the top you can see ID, name, class, mark, gender. So here I can use this. Use the above data frame and give me the row with highest number of mark. Fine. So highest number, let it give the complete row to me. So that's what I am searching for. Fine. So what it did is up to this, because previously it has also given me to everything to create it, so I don't need everything. So I just need this much code because data frame is already I have created. So I'll just copy this, come back to my Visual Studio Code. So instead of print df, I will paste it here. Now what happened up to this, let me just see this complete. Yeah. So previously whatever is that same data frame is created. Now index of my variable, what is index ID max, it's checking the mark column. So row with that one, it's finding out. Let's just run this and see once what's the output. So it fine it, let me move it up a bit. So row with estimate ID is 4, name, class A, mark is gender, everything it has given me. Now here we came to know what is, we just want to know what is this particular one does. So because we know this DF mark column, so mark column it has picked up. Let's just copy this one and let's go to our here and ask what is ID max. So let's see what it tells us. This is quite useful. It is okay, fine. It has given me the idmax method used to find the index level of the maximum value in Pandas series or data frame. Here some key details. It has given me full details, so you can study that like that. You can keep on asking various questions to using this. What is the average value? What's the minimum value? What is the class average? Group me along the each group. Each class, what is the average? So all the grouping, all the data it will do. So that we'll see in the next tutorial. So this much will just you try this. These prompts are quite simple prompts, and I will just leave it in the description below, so you can follow these prompts. That's all, friends. Hope you have a good learning experience, and continue like this your small applications involving highest value, lowest value, grouping under the class values. So what is the minimum, maximum, many things you can ask the Notebooklm to return it, and ask each step also why, how this value has come up, what is the use of this function, why you use this. Ask the questions, and we will also continue in our next tutorial how more about this analysis part of it. And it is note that not only that it is the pandas what you will learn, any other language, any other course you want to learn, pick up the more useful sources from resources for that, add it as a reference to the Notebooklm, and Notebooklm will digest entire thing for us, and it will then it will help us in learning more about that. So the same process you can continue to learn anything. That's all, friends. So hope you have enjoyed it, and my request is please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you'll be notified as and when we add tutorials, and we are frequently adding that also. And if you have any doubts, suggestion, questions, use the comment section below to post it. Please share this with your friends, and thank you for watching.